In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your sent messages in Gmail. Whether you're trying to confirm that an important email was sent, or you're just curious about the messages you've dispatched recently, knowing where to find your sent emails is crucial. So, let's dive right into it. First things first, begin by opening your Gmail account. If you're not automatically signed in, you'll need to enter your login credentials. Once you've logged in, look towards the left side of your screen. Here you'll see a list of folders that help organize your emails, such as your inbox, drafts, spam, and importantly, the sent folder. Now locate and click on the word sent. This simple action will direct you to a dedicated section of your Gmail account that stores all the emails sent from your account. Now as you click on sent, you should notice that your screen transforms to display a chronological list of the emails you've sent. Here, each message is typically shown with the recipient's name or email address, the subject of the email, and a brief preview of the message itself. At this point, you can scroll through this list to find any particular email you might be interested in revisiting. Keep in mind, one handy feature in this sent items list is the ability to perform a search. If you're looking for a specific email, rather than scrolling through all your sent messages, you can use the search bar located at the top of the page. Type in a keyword, recipient's name, or any detail related to the email you're searching for. This will filter your sent emails, allowing you to locate the message quickly and efficiently. While browsing your sent emails, you may notice that Gmail also allows you to take additional actions with these messages. You can click on a specific email to open it fully, review its contents, and if necessary, you can choose to forward it or print it for your records. It's also useful to know that Gmail automatically saves all outgoing emails in the sent folder so that you can always check back and ensure your communications were delivered. And there you have it. Checking your sent messages in Gmail is a straightforward process that can be accomplished in just a few clicks. By familiarizing yourself with this simple navigation path, from opening Gmail to clicking on the sent folder, you'll never be left guessing about your past communications again. This is one of the basic yet powerful features of Gmail that helps keep you organized and informed. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for managing your emails more effectively.